Alright, so maybe wondering why the car is jacked up on one side. It's a interesting story. You guys aren't going to see that till the next video, but little hint, it has something to do with the differential. So as you guys know, I'm currently working on getting this thing built up to drift spec to be compliant with track standards so that I can start drifting it next year. We're actually making a ton of progress so far. I'm not gonna lie, I think I should have this thing wrapped up in the next month or two if I keep up with the current schedule that I'm at. I just got the diff back from the shop from getting welded, which you guys will see in the next video, the process of me taking it out as well as putting it back in. Unfortunately, I did not have the foresight to plan properly, so I'm gonna have to lower this car because we're gonna get started with that thing. What is that, you may be asking? That's a harness bar. Right here under that tarp, that one right there, is a seat. And then these bad boys right here are my harnesses. I gotta take this thing off the jack stands. I have to roll it out a little bit. The axles are kind of free hanging right now, and so is the drive shaft, but I mean, it's only a couple feet. What damage can I do? Hopefully I don't regret saying that. I'm gonna roll it out a little bit so I can have enough access to pull the seat out on that side. I'm only gonna be doing one seat because my girlfriend Aubrey, hi Aubrey, I love you. She's gonna be picking out her own seat and putting it in the car. She wanted something that's a little bit more comfortable. And I figured why not, you know? It could be our little piece of the car together, so. I'm excited to see what she picks, and I'm excited to get it in there. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. No more delays. Let's just go ahead and do it. Give me a post-game report, Terrence.
Okay, so pretty much took a trip to Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight.
Had to get some extensions, you know.
Extendos. Got to get them banana clips.
We got the seat out. With enough finagling. And,
bro, shut up. We're not going to look at that. We're not.
About 10,000 calories.
Bro, it's my McDonald's fries. Stop.
Man, once you vacuum that up, that'll be 10 pounds of weight.
Bro, we've all had McDonald's fries in the car. Don't even front with me. I know. If I pull the seats out that thing right there, it's probably going to look the same.
Well, that thing hasn't been cleaned in probably 20 years.
Okay, then. There you go. Yours, mine.
Yeah, and I've only owned it for
So what's next, man?
so it's next to this. That.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Well, first, actually, we got to pull out the seat belts because they're locked up. You want to know why?
Why?
Because the airbag went off. Hey, man. It's still clean title as far as the insurance is concerned. Versus a guy she tells you not to worry about.
Hell no, man. What the
All right, so Terrence and I just got the seat out, and we also put in the harness bar. So everything is all good to go as far as that. All we have to do left is just to put the harnesses on, and then to put the seat in place, and she will be good to go. I don't know if I'll have time for the seat today. It's getting kind of dark, so we'll see. This is what the hell are you doing back there? Yeah, nothing else happened. We did not strip any bolts. We did not do anything like that at all. But that's hard. That's hard. So day 2, I believe. Finishing up the seats, the harnesses, the harness bar, all that good stuff. We're gonna be finishing that up today. The homie Hayden finally dropped off the hardware that I need to finish up the mounts, and I can plug the seat in, get it fitted to me. Shouts out to IS Drift one more time for allowing me to do media at their event. That was really cool. I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully I can get this thing sliding there in a couple months. So let's go ahead and get to it, guys. Let's finish this up. I'm ready to be done with it. A little bit of annoying news. I found out just now that the bracket I have is actually for the passenger side. I bought this thinking it was the driver's side because whoever sold it to my friend told them it was the driver's side bracket, and when I bought it, turns out it was the passenger side bracket. So let me show you this. So this right here, this tab is fine. It clears perfectly fine, but this tab does not clear. Which makes it to where the bolts do not line up, or like the bolt holes. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to cut that off. Hopefully I can get in the car before the sunlight goes down, but you never know. Let's get to it. So now we know how much it costs to cut that off. It cost me exactly $150 to be able to cut that off. And let me show you what it looked like. This right here is the piece of metal that I cut off from right here. Funny enough, this bracket fits perfectly fine. It was literally just this tab right here that prevents the passenger side from fitting on the driver's side. And what do you know? It fits. Well, I'm back again. If you ever wanted to know what it's like having ADHD, ADHD is like 6:30 in the evening. You relaxing, maxing, acting all cool, chewing b-ball outside by the pool, and hair's looking crazy, and you realize as you're editing a video that you forgot to film the outro and the reveal. So that's what I'm here to do for you guys. Let me show you these seats. They turned out great. I'm very happy. So did the harness bar and the harnesses. I'm very excited about them. Let me just show you. Let me stop you at it. anyways, you guys, so this is how it turned out. I'm very hyped on how it looks, how it feels, how it functions. I'm in the perfect seating range for me to clutch kick. Everything really feels nice and planted. First and foremost, I feel really safe in this thing. And that's most important. It's definitely an upgrade over the stock seats. The stock seats were booty butt cheeks. I can't wait to get this thing on track to see how it feels, especially with the welded diff that we have in. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely make sure to subscribe, leave a like, a comment, and let me know what you think of the new seats. I'm very hyped on it. But yeah, man, let's get it. We got a ton coming up for this car, so stay tuned for sure. All right, take care, you guys.